हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग नोट्स चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट सर्वेइंग का पार्ट 4 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं सर्वेइंग का कुछ थ्योरी का बात करूँगा जो आपका हर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट, बीटेक स्टूडेंट का बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। लेबलिंग। व्हाट इज लेबलिंग? द मेथड ऑफ सर्वेइंग used for determining the relative height or elevation of points or objects on the surface of the earth is called labeling. लेबलिंग क्या? हम लोग डिस्टेंस, हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस ऐसा मेजरमेंट करता, लेकिन वर्टिकल जो डिस्टेंस होता इसको हम लोग हाइट बोलता, लेवल बोलता। जो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस ये हमारा ग्राउंड से जो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस चाहे से ऊपर हो चाहे से नीचे हो, वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट करने के लिए हम लोग इसको लेबलिंग बोलता। इसलिए the method of surveying used for determining the relative height or elevations of a point or objects on the surface of the earth is called leveling. It deals with the measurements in a vertical plane. The following are important terms used in leveling. Level surface. It is a surface parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth, the surface of still water in a lake. A level surface may be regarded as a curved surface. Every point on which is equidistant from center of the earth. It is normal to the plumb line at all points. Any line lying in a level surface is called level line. Horizontal surface. Horizontal surface through any point is a surface tangential to the level surface at that point. It is perpendicular to the plumb line. Any line lying in the horizontal surface is called a horizontal line, and it is tangential to the level line. वर्टिकल सरफेस आप लोग देख लीजिए, डाटम सरफेस और डाटम लाइन। इट इज एन arbitrary surface or line from which the elevation of points are measured and compared. It is an arbitrary surface or line from which the elevation of points are measured and compared. Datum surface. Datum surface क्या है? जो फिक्स लेवल, जमीन का जो लेवल, उसको डाटम सरफेस, इसका हिसाब से ऊपर नीच कैलकुलेशन होता। datum line or datum surface. Elevation of a point. It is a vertical distance above or below the datum. ये जो अभी बात किया ये datum line, datum line it is a vertical distance above or below the datum. It is also known as reduce level. इसको reduce level RL भी बोला जाता है. reduce level RL. benchmark. Benchmark. It is a fixed reference point of known elevation. Known elevation is called benchmark. It may be noted that labeling should always commence from a permanent benchmark and end of an permanent benchmark. Backside. It is a stop reading taken on a point of known elevation or reduced level. As on a benchmark or a change point, it is first stop reading taken after level is set up and labeled. It also called plus sign. First reading is called first reading. First reading is called benchmark BM. Foresight. It is a stop reading taken on a point whose elevation is to be determined as on a change point. It is last stop reading. Last stop reading इसको माइनस साइन कहा जाता. इसको माइनस साइन साइट कहा जाता. लास्ट स्टॉप रीडिंग. लास्ट स्टॉप रीडिंग is called foresight. Foresight. Intermediate side be very important. Change point very important. Station, height of instrument ये very important. आप लोग ये सब देख सकता है. So friends, it is much for today. More when we meet the next class. आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए. थैंक यू.